John has saved some money. 1/5 came from his mom, 25% came from his dad, and the rest came from his grandma. What fraction came from his grandma? Now we've been given a question that has both fraction and percentage. But let us consider the question that we are asked. We've been asked what fraction came from his grandma. That means it is going to be easier and better for us to work with fractions. The first number is already in fraction, but the second one is in percentage. Let us convert this percentage to fractions so that we have two fractions and then we work with the fractions. 25% is same as 25/100. If you divide to the lowest term, you have 5 divide this, you have 5/20. 5 divide again, we have 1/4. So 25% is the same as 1/4. Now, they said 1/5 came from his mom plus the one that came from his dad, 1/4. We are dealing with fractions that have two different denominators. So the LCM of these two denominators, or their common multiple, is 20. 20. If 5 changes to 20, what does 1 change to? 5 times 4 will give us 20. That means 1 times 4 will give us 4. Plus 4 has changed to 20, so 1 will change also. So 4 times 5 gives us 20. 1 times 5 will give us 5. That is 9/20. This means that 9/20 of John's money came from his mom and dad. What fraction came from his grandma? That means John's total money that he saved has been divided into 20 parts. 9 parts came from his parents. What fraction do you think, how many parts do you think came from his grandma? The remaining parts obviously came from his grandma. That means the whole money is divided into 20 and 9 came from his parents. That means 11 parts came from his grandma, and that is the answer. Now I want you to solve this one also. A jug contains some juice and he pours 2/3 into one glass and 20% into another glass. What fraction is left in the jug?